Hey everybody! Happy almost Valentine's Day! Can you believe it's tomorrow already? Time flies when you're frantically searching online for last-minute gifts. But don't worry, I've got your back. We've all been there. I've put together 10 genius Valentine's Day hacks that are sure to impress, even if you remembered it's Valentine's Day. We've got DIY gifts that are way more thoughtful than anything from the store, and date ideas that are so unique, you'll be surprised you didn't think of them yourself. Before we get to the good stuff, let's take a trip down memory lane. Did you know Valentine's Day started centuries ago as a Roman festival called Lupercalia, a festival with matchmaking lotteries and animal sacrifices? Thankfully, the church later rebranded it to honor Saint Valentine, a priest who performed secret marriage ceremonies for soldiers. All right, enough history. Let's talk about gifts. It's all about showing your love with something from the heart. First up, we have the classic memory jar, but with a twist. Write down all those inside jokes, special moments, and silly little things that only you two share and put them in a jar. It's like a treasure chest of memories. Next, create a personalized Spotify playlist filled with songs that have special meaning to your relationship. For an extra special touch, create a custom QR code card that they can scan to instantly access the playlist. And why not surprise your sweetheart with little reasons I love you origami hearts hidden all over the house? It's cute, fun, and guaranteed to make them smile. If you really want to win some brownie points, forget those store-bought gift certificates. This year, it's all about the custom coupon book. Think outside the box. How about a coupon for a back massage, breakfast in bed, or a day free of chores? And if you're feeling stuck, let AI lend a hand. Use ChatGPT to write a heartfelt love poem. Just plug in a few details about your sweetheart and voila, you've got yourself a personalized masterpiece. So you've got the gifts covered. Now let's talk about dates. How about a pottery class followed by a little wine tasting? You can unleash your inner artist, create something beautiful together, and maybe even enjoy a few laughs along the way. For the hopeless romantics out there, why not plan a stargazing picnic under the night sky? Spread out a blanket, pack some snacks, and gaze up at the stars. You can even download a stargazing app on your phone and impress your date with your knowledge of the constellations. If you're looking for a meaningful date, how about volunteering together? It's a wonderful way to give back to your community and bond over a shared passion for helping others. For a more intimate and relaxing Valentine's Day, create a spa experience at home. Dim the lights, light some candles, put on some relaxing music, and draw a warm bath. Add some rose petals, essential oils, maybe even a bath bomb or two. Remember, Valentine's Day is all about celebrating love, connection, and spending quality time with the people you care about most. So there you have it, folks. 10 genius Valentine's Day hacks that are sure to make this year your most memorable yet. Remember, Valentine's Day is about celebrating love in all its forms, whether it's romantic love, friendship, family love, or even self-love. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss next week's video, where we'll be diving into the weird and wonderful world of historical love rituals. Until then, spread the love.